The whole world's been lost, and others are dying one after the other.
Matthew, what are you looking for?
Forgiveness?
I understand you're...
Details about Daredevil, Born Again have been revealed, with news about the MCU show's cast, release info, and more being reported. The original Daredevil series premiered on Netflix in 2015 and followed Matt Murdock, Charlie Cox, as he learned to balance his life as a lawyer and as Daredevil. The show was abruptly cancelled in 2018, which came as a surprise since it had high viewership and was critically acclaimed. Eventually, the series was brought onto Disney Plus as the rights were reverted back to Marvel, which then gave the MCU a chance to create Daredevil, Born Again. There was clearly a commitment to Cox's version of Daredevil because Murdock began appearing in MCU properties in small roles such as Spider-Man: No Way Home. Murdock cameos as both Peter Parker and Happy Hogan's attorney. The lawyer continued his legal duties in 2 episodes of She-Hulk, Attorney at Law, becoming a romantic interest and friend to Jennifer Walters. Vincent D'Onofrio also reprised his role as Kingpin in the Disney Plus series Hawkeye. These cameos have all but ensured that the Daredevil, Born Again cast will feature some interesting appearances and will be a significant part of the MCU timeline overall. Empire magazine recently released the first official photo for Daredevil, Born Again, as well as an exclusive interview with Charlie Cox, talking about the show's connections to the original series as well as when it takes place. The image shows Matt Murdock walking with Foggy Nelson and Karen Page near their Nelson Murdock Page office behind them. In the interview, Charlie Cox reiterated the idea that Daredevil, Born Again would be a continuation of Daredevil, though it was initially conceived as a reboot of the character with Cox still in the role. There was talk early on about reinventing the whole thing to see if Matt was a slightly different person. But it ended up more of a continuation. He also mentions that a few years have passed since the finale of Daredevil, with Matt Murdock in a different place mentally than he was before. Thanks for watching.